Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the model so color changes behave predictably. First, isolate the 3D object and confirm its layer is unlocked and visible. Once done, switch visual style to realistic or shaded with edges so you see true material and color feedback. This helps you distinguish color versus material appearance. Make sure the object is a solid or mesh. If it's a block or proxy, explode or convert it. This setup prevents surprises later and speeds subsequent color edits. Now you actively change the object's color. Select the 3D object and open the Properties palette with Ctrl+1. This centralizes settings. Under Color, choose a specific index or click More to enter RGB values for precise hues. Alternatively, set Color to by layer to inherit layer colors. If your model uses materials, open the Material browser and assign a material with the desired diffuse color. Material colors override simple color for rendered views. Make sure to refresh the viewport so you can confirm the change visually. Finish by validating the color with a quick render or realistic viewport. You want to see how lighting and reflections affect the hue. This explains why a color may look different in a render. If the color doesn't update, make sure the visual style supports materials, confirm the material is assigned to the object rather than the layer, and check for layer overrides. When the viewport seems stale, run region or reapply the material. This often resolves display caching issues and completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.